Chapter: Forms of Water. Forms of water. Water is the most common natural substance. Water exists in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. On cooling or heating, the water can change its form. Water in the form of solid. Ice is the solid form of water. Take 2 or 3 ice cubes. Touch them. They are hard and cold. They do not change their shape when transferred from one vessel to another. Water in the form of liquid. The water we use in our homes is in liquid form. It has no shape. It takes the shape of the vessel in which it is kept. Water in the form of gas. Water can change from one form to another. When water is heated, it starts boiling and changes into water vapors. These vapors are called steam. Water vapors or steam is a gaseous form of water. Existence of water in 3 forms. Fill an ice tray with water. Keep it in the freezer of a fridge. After some time, it will change into ice. This process of conversion of water into ice is called freezing. Take the tray out of the freezer and keep it in the open. The warm atmosphere changes the solid ice cubes into water. This process of conversion of solid ice into water is called melting. Boil this water in a container. The water changes into water vapors or steam. This process of conversion of water into water vapors is called evaporation. On cooling, water vapors or steam changes into water. This process of conversion of water vapors into water is called condensation. Similarly, this cycle of changing from one form to another applies to nature as well. Water cycle in nature: the sun heats the water of water sources such as river, pond, sea, etc. Some of this water changes into water vapors. Water vapors rise up in the air, on the higher altitudes, where they condense and turn into tiny drops of water. These drops of water form clouds. In the clouds, these tiny drops join up to form larger drops. These large drops become heavy and fall on the earth in the form of rain. The rainwater flows back into rivers, lakes, ponds and seas. This cycle goes on and on in nature and is called water cycle.